Hey everyone, welcome to our first lesson, Create Your First Robot. In this lesson, we'll tackle a super practical automation task, having the bot auto-log into a website. Before we start building, we first need to get familiar with three core concept sets in Automa that'll run through your entire learning journey. First up are app and command. Next are object, element, and operation. And finally, we'll cover variables and data type. Once we've laid these foundations, we'll jump into the actual building. Without further ado, let's dive right in. An app is a complete robot that can run automated tasks. You can have it automatically process Excel spreadsheets, help you scrape data from web pages, or auto log in to social platforms every day to post updates. You name it. No matter what you need to do, as long as you specify every step from start to finish, it'll run them in sequence according to the plan. So how do you create an app? After logging into Automa, you'll see a New button in the upper left corner. Click it, select for PC, and a new app will be created. An app is a robot, so command can be thought of as the robot's specific actions. By combining commands one by one, following certain logical rules, you'll build a fully functional app. In other words, command is the most basic building block for creating an app. In Automa, the left side panel stores commands, which are divided into standard and custom. Standard commands come built in when you create an app, while custom commands can be installed as needed. Custom commands include official extended market commands, which are developed and maintained by Automa. All commands can be double-clicked or dragged onto the middle canvas to use. So, what makes up a command? Let's say one of the robot's actions is, open the bedroom door at home. For this action, I have three questions. What's the context? Home. What's the target? The bedroom door. What operation is being performed? Open. These three questions correspond to the three components of a command: context, target, and action type. So this command can be broken down as, within the home context, perform the open operation on the bedroom door. Similarly, using click element on a web page translates to, on the target web page object, perform a click operation on the specified element. This structure makes commands super intuitive and easy to understand. You might be wondering right now, what's a web page object? What's an element? And are there operations besides click element? No worries. We'll break them down one by one next.